Alright guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be finishing up our repairs today on the Go Kart, what we started on yesterday. So, if you don't remember, we got the back axle done completely. We just got to tighten down this back tire. We got our tie rods repainted. We got to put those back on today. They turned out pretty good, I think. This one's bent. I'm just going to use it until I get a new one. But this could be causing a lot of the issues with the alignment and the kart riding uneven. I'll show you when we get outside. Speed sensor. I gotta go to this parts store to get some all thread. I couldn't find mine for the throttle. We'll get that fixed. Then we gotta figure out a lineup for the brakes. Where I'm gonna put them at, how I'm gonna do it. And I'd like to get this thing out and test driving today. So we got a lot of little minor stuff, nothing big. It's just finding the parts and getting it all finished today. So yep. Oh, and then we're going to turn to the block and see if we done any damage on our top speed runs when I supposedly hit 9,000 RPM. Check out the flywheel, see how it looks. Put the choke lever back on it. We lost tightness down. Just go back and check everything out, make sure it's all good until we get our upgrade parts. I figured out how I'm going to repaint this cover. On the last kart, the last motor, we painted it like red and black, just kind of spray painted. I mean, it looked alright. This one, I got something special I'm going to do. I'll do that around probably. I do it now, but I'll wait for the weather to warm up a little more. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Alright. Alright guys, we're going to be working on the carburetor now. When we jetted the carb, we didn't get the original mixing tube out. I couldn't get it freed up, so get this piece out. Alright guys, I got it out. Basically I had to take a ratchet and just smack the bottom of this and it fell out. I lost it, it fell on the floor. So, yep, so here's the other one. I'm going to put in to replace it. So, yep, let's put that in. And hopefully this fixes that. That was sticking. I hope it fixes the issue we were having with the backfire and the flames. It was cool at first, but then kind of got old. There we go. The other thing we couldn't get was this carburetor, the choke, which is whatever. Don't really need it, you could still do it by hand. Somewhat. That's it. Okay, we got all that on there. Oh, it's still coming down. Not as bad though. I don't know. We'll see if the 6 can do it. We'll have to find out.